Have you ever looked at your investment portfolio during a market crash and wished there was a way to make money even when the markets are falling? What if I told you that there are strategies that can potentially deliver positive returns regardless of whether the market goes up, down, or sideways? Hi everyone and welcome to Centrashala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be discussing about ASK Absolute Return Fund. In this video, we'll be exploring how long, short or arbitrage strategies can help investors generate returns even in the most volatile market conditions. While traditional investors are at mercy of market direction, these sophisticated approaches can help you stay in the green when others are seeing red. The star of our show today is the ASK Absolute Return Fund, an open-ended CAT-3 AIF, which uses these exact strategies to aim for consistent positive returns with lower volatility. But before we dive into the specifics of this fund, let me break down how these strategies actually work in simple terms. Now let's talk about long-short strategy. Most investors only know how to make money when the markets go up. They buy stocks and hope the price increases. That's called going long. But what happens when the market crashes? Traditional investors just have to endure the losses and wait for recovery. This is where long-short strategies shine. A long-short fund does two things simultaneously. First, it buys stocks expected to perform well, long positions. Second, it also bets against stocks expected to perform poorly, short positions. When markets fall, those short positions actually make money, helping to offset or even exceed the losses from the long positions. It's like having an insurance policy that can actually become profitable during market downturns. This balance between long and short positions means that returns are more dependent on the fund manager's skill in selecting stocks than on general market direction. So what is the result here? The potential for positive returns in bull markets, bear markets and everything in between. Now let's talk about who's behind this fund. ASK Group is one of the India's leading asset and wealth management groups with over 84,000 crore, that's about $10 billion in asset under management as of June 2024. They are backed by Blackstone, the world's largest alternative asset manager with about $1 trillion in assets globally. That's some serious financial muscle. ASK Absolute Return Fund is what's called as Category 3 AIF long-short strategy. But what does that mean for you as an investor? Simply put, this fund aims to deliver absolute returns, meaning positive returns regardless of what market is doing, with lower volatility than major Indian equity indices. Their target is to beat liquid fixed income alternatives by 100 to 150 basic points over a 12+ month investment horizon after accounting for fees and taxes. The most important thing, they emphasize capital preservation. That means their first priority is not losing your money no matter what the market conditions look like. Now let's talk about the investment approach. First, they look at the big picture, that is top-down strategy, global growth forecasts, interest rate, inflation and how money is flowing between different markets. Then they zoom in on India specifically, bottom-down strategy, analyzing earnings potential compared to other markets and identifying which sectors and companies look promising. At the stock level, they conduct detailed financial modeling, monitor valuations, and even interact with company management to validate their forecasts. What makes their approach unique is their multi-strategy approach, combining fundamental analysis, technical analysis, derivatives, special situations like mergers or acquisitions, and quantitative models. When building their portfolio, they balance long positions with short positions. Here's something important. They maintain a minimum 30% of hedge at all times. This means that at least 30% of the long positions are protected by corresponding short positions. This reduces correlation to the market and helps preserve capital during downturns. For long positions, they select from a pool of fundamentally strong stocks, enhanced with technical analysis and special situation opportunities. For short positions, they target overvalued stocks or weak business models while also using index puts as portfolio protection. One thing that stands out about this fund is their robust risk management framework. They have strict limitations on maximum gross exposure, 200% of NAV, single security position sizes, long or short, maximum 10%, and sector exposure, maximum 25%. Speaking of performance, let's look at the numbers. So for the year of 2024, the fund has delivered positive returns in 11 out of 12 months with only a small minus 0.24% dip in June. Their annualized standard deviation is just 3.6% with a Sharpe ratio of 3.6 and a market beta of only 0.1, meaning they have a very low correlation to market movements. These statistics demonstrate how the fund achieves its goal of providing consistent returns with lower volatility than the broader market. The ASK Absolute Return Fund requires a minimum investment of 1 crore with monthly liquidity of 5-day notice. It has no lock-in period or exit load, and it provides monthly NAV updates and offers varied fee structures based on investment size. If the subscription amount is less than 25 crore, then the management fee under share class A1 is nil, under A2 it's 1%, and under A3 it's 1.75%. The performance fee of share class A1 is 37.50%, 20% in A2 and nil in A3. The hurdle rate in share class A1 is HDFC Bank FD plus 25 BPS, in A2 it's HDFC Bank FD plus 25 BPS, and in A3 it's nil. If the subscription amount is equal to 25 crore or more, then the management fee of share class A4 is nil, A5 it's 0.80%, and A6 it's 1.50%. The performance fee under share class A4 is 35%, under A5 18%, and under A6 0. The hurdle rate under share class A4 is HDFC Bank FD plus 25 BPS, and for A5 HDFC Bank FD plus 25 BPS, and for A6 it's nil. So in conclusion, this fund suits investors seeking returns regardless of market direction, portfolio stability during volatility, consistent performance of over 12 plus months, and capital preservation as priority. With a 1 crore minimum investment, it's designed for HNI individuals. While all investments carry risk, it's a long, short, and arbitrage strategies provide valuable diversification during uncertain market conditions. Well, this was all about ASK Absolute Return Fund. We hope you liked this video.